Here I am trying to finish up doing all the forms. I just put all the walls across, and I did some of the pour. Yeah, I just had to put extra reinforcements. Put another rebar here and put some more rebar down. Cut it at 2 foot, and then put it a foot down and a foot up, so I can do my next mix. I went all the way around, went 2 foot all the way around. So I'm gonna finish on my 4 foot, and then I'm gonna continue on this side, put in another wall, another 4 foot, so everything be 8 foot even. This, and then this is where I have to. Continue and just pouring over here, so it'll be 4 foot higher, and then I just gotta level it over here, level the concrete when I pour. But I'm not even at that part yet. So, and I put some windows in. I'll put another 2 foot wall on top of here, another 2 foot wall here, and I made it at 24 by 24 opening. So I'm gonna put a rebar here between, and another one here, and another one here. It's gonna go up just a little bit more, and then I'm gonna cut this with the sawzall, and then that's gonna be my opening for my window, 24 by 24. Do the same thing when I put my 2 foot wall on top, so I can finish off my pour. Put more reinforcements. I'll put another rebar here, tie it in, and go off just about right here. Probably put another rebar and go all the way around, and then continue pouring. And then I'm gonna put a wall in between here, and then I'm gonna shut it down so I can pour, and then I'm gonna brace and plumb again from here. Well, this is my little project going on. I'm almost there, and then I'm gonna put it's 48 by 48 4040 window here, and then when I put my 4 foot on the other side of the wall, I'm gonna make the same opening for the window, and then I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna do the rest for that 2 foot on top, and everything's gonna even out to 8 foot. And I'm gonna put a header, and then I'm gonna continue pouring all the way around. It's gonna be a solid house. Everything's just gonna be concrete, because out here they like to burn. They just like to burn houses out here. These people out here are bad. So I already got my house torn down over there, and they just trashed my place. I gotta clean up my place too since I'm done. And over here, I'm gonna put another window, same as this window. I'm gonna put it on this side, so I could see the Sandia Mountains down that way. It's gonna be very pretty. I mean, it's beautiful out here. It's very peaceful. That's why I like to be away from everything. I like to get away from the city once in a while, and maybe I could learn how to start meditating. I don't know how to do it. Maybe I can do a little bit of that, since it's in the desert. Do a Jim Morrison desert meditation, I guess. I don't know. But it's pretty peaceful out here, and it's quiet. Well, I still got more. So I got this wall that I'm gonna put in there, and then I have the anchor bolts in there. I got anchor bolts. I gotta drill the holes in there, and so I can hold it down. I gotta put this anchor bolts here for these walls, so I don't have to brace the bottom. I don't have to do so much work. It's just an extra piece of plywood I'm gonna use for later on for the forms. Well, I'm still at it, still doing my project here. I already poured up this way about 2 foot.